Long ago, in a quiet village surrounded by green fields and gentle hills, there lived an old and wise farmer named Raymond. He had 3 grown sons, Amir, Bilal, and Kamran. Though they were strong, healthy young men, they could never agree on anything. They argued from morning till night about who would feed the animals, who would cut the crops, and even about who would sit where during dinner. The old farmer tried everything to make his sons understand the value of working together, but nothing changed. Their constant quarrels made the neighbors laugh and caused the villagers to lose respect for the family. One day, Raymond fell seriously ill. Lying on his bed, he looked at his sons and realized he might not have much time left. But he couldn't leave the world without teaching them an important lesson. He asked one of his sons to bring him a bundle of sticks from the backyard. When the bundle was brought, tied tightly with a rope, he gave it to Amir. "Try to break this bundle," Raymond said. Amir laughed and tried with all his strength. He twisted it, bent it, even slammed it against his knee, but the bundle stayed strong. He passed it to Bilal. Bilal, who was even stronger, tried as hard as he could. But no matter how much he struggled, the sticks would not break. Finally, Kamran gave it a try, but with the same result: failure. Then, the old farmer untied the bundle and handed a single stick to each son. "Now, break your stick," he said. Snap! Each stick broke easily. The father looked at his sons and said slowly, "Do you see the difference? When the sticks were tied together, not even the strongest of you could break them. But alone, each one was weak. This is the same with you 3. As long as you stay united, you will be strong, and no one will be able to defeat you. But if you keep fighting and standing alone, you will easily fall, just like these sticks." The sons were silent. For the first time, they truly understood what their father meant. From that day onward, Amir, Bilal, and Kamran began to work as a team. They helped each other in the fields, supported one another in tough times, and slowly, their family name became respected in the village once more. Even after the old farmer passed away, the brothers remembered his lesson. They lived together in harmony and taught their children the same valuable wisdom. Unity is strength, divided we fall. Moral: strength lies in unity. A family that stands together is unbreakable.